Hello everyone. We have a question which says that the equation of the curve is y is equals to 2k minus 3 in the bracket x square minus kx and then minus in the bracket k minus 2, which is basically the equation of the curve. The line y is equals to 3x minus 4 is a tangent to the curve. So basically we have two equations, the equation of the curve and the equation of the line, and the condition is that they are tangent to the curve. So find the value of k. So tangent means point of intersection, and point of intersection means common point. So definitely the very first step that we are going to do is that equate both the equations. The equation of the curve would be equal to the equation of the line. Just rearrange them so that we could get a proper quadratic equation. So 2k minus 3 along with x square is there. We have negative kx over here, and then when this 3x moved over here would be negative 3x. Both contain x. Taken x outside and a negative outside in the bracket, it would become k plus 3, and this negative k and 2 plus 4 and negative k plus 6 is basically the constant. Because the condition is a tangent to the curve, that means the discriminant would be equal to 0. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac would be equal to 0. Just place the value of b, a and c from the given quadratic equation, where a is equals to 2k minus 3 over here. A is equals to 2k minus 3. B is equal to k plus 3 with this negative sign. So instead of b, we have written k plus 3 with negative sign and b square. And c is equals to positive 6 minus k. So I have written over here 6 minus k. Now just open up the bracket. Negative square would be positive. Apply the formula of a plus b whole square. We get k square plus 6k plus 9, and then just open up the bracket by multiplication, and then finally multiply them by 4, and after that just rearrange them. Just add all the like terms like k square and k and the constant and then write them into a proper quadratic form. If there is some common, just take that common and then divide on the both sides so that the equation becomes simple. So the working would be very easy. As we can see, 9 is a common over here because 54 is a multiple of 9, 81 is a multiple of 9. So I took 9 as a common and divided both sides by 9. 9 divided by 9 would be 1. 0 divided by 9 would be again 0. And finally we have a quadratic equation in the form of k square minus 6k plus 9. And we have a quadratic equation in the form of k because we need the value of k, and it is equal to 0. Simply use the quadratic formula. Place the values of a as 1, b as negative 6, c as positive 9 in the quadratic equation. Place it, solve it, get the value of k, and the value of k is 3 because it was written over there. Find the value of k. That means the statement was very clear. We will have just one value of k and we are done with that.